Hello everyone, can you say hello Miss Rani? Well done everyone. Are you ready for some fun with phonics? I have got Snowy here. He's all ready for some phonics. Can you say hello Snowy? Oh look, he's giving you all a little wave. He's excited to be here, look. And he's got his box. I wonder what is in his box today. Shall we find out? Are you ready to sing our song? It's okay if you don't remember the words. Join in when you do. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, the box is moving around. Should we find out what's inside? Something strange inside today. Got a picture of something. Oh, wonder what this here is. Do you know? It's an ankle. We all have it on our bodies. Ankle. My turn. Ankle. Your turn. My turn again. Ankle. Your turn again. Amazing, well done. I want you to ask your mummies and daddies, where's my ankle? See if they can help you. Ask any grown up, or if you've got brothers and sisters, where's my ankle? And they can point it out for you. So let's put our picture of our ankle with Snowy over there. I wonder what else is in the box. Shall we find out? Are you ready to sing with me? 1, 2, 3. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. This gets very exciting because the box likes to move when we finish singing. It's another picture. I wonder if you've ever seen one of these before. They are usually outside, not usually inside, but they're usually outside. It's an ant. An ant. My turn. Ant. My turn again. Ant. Your turn again. Ant. An ant's like crawling around. Have you seen any ants today? It's very hot now. Well, it's getting warmer, so you might have seen some ants. Have a look and show your family or friends. There's an ant. Shall we give our ant to Snowy to look after because it was in his box? I wonder if there's anything else left in the box. Shall we find out? Are you ready? Sing with me. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's doing a lot of jiggling and moving. Oh, this looks tasty. What is this? What is this? It's an apple. A green apple. My turn. Apple. Your turn. Apple. My turn again. Apple. Your turn again. Apple. Amazing. Well done, everyone. Apples are quite crunchy. There's lots of different colours as well. Is your favourite the green one or the red one? Have a think. We will give our apple to Snowy to look after. I think there's one more thing left in the box before it's empty. Are you ready to see what it is? To find out what the last thing is. Let's sing a song and find out. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's moving around quite a lot now. There is one last picture. Shall we see what this picture is? This is an arrow. Arrow. And I can turn it at the moment and it points in different directions. So if I wanted you to go that way, I would point that way. If I wanted you to go that way, I would point that way. My turn. Arrow. Your turn. My turn again. Arrow. Your turn again. Excellent. This is arrow. So in our box today, we had arrow. Our ant. Our ankle. And our apple. Today, all our things started with the sound. That's what we could hear. So that's our sound for today. Now, because you have worked so hard, let's put them all on here, on top of Snowy's box. Let's bring Snowy onto the top as well so you can have a look at all these lovely things. And let's give ourselves some fireworks for doing fantastic work. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Well done, everyone. I will see you soon for some more phonics. No more today, though. Remember, 1 video a day. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.